Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be coding in Scratch, and we're gonna be making a game. Yeah, I'm doing online in Scratch. If you didn't know, and I am also Bubble Blog. Yeah, this is my second channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and do all of those YouTube stuffs. So let's get into the video now. What we're gonna be making is gonna be really simple. We are gonna be making an impossible game. There's already a game called Impossible Quiz, which is actually possible, and I'm just gonna be making something like that. Now there are already games called the Impossible Game and stuffs. Like you can see, this is also from Scratch, and I'm gonna make a game like that. See, each and every single of these impossible games are possible, and I want to make a game which is actually impossible. This is possible because the reason making an impossible game is gonna be really simple, because as much impossible games you make, as much players play it, and as much players play it, as much popular the game gets. But the fact is, the game is basically impossible, but the players don't know that, and we have to make a game like that. So we're gonna be working on that today. And I'm gonna be making is gonna be a platformer game. So if you guys don't know what a platformer is, it is a game where you like level a level and you have to do it. So yeah guys, let's just get straight into it. Now I'm just gonna show you guys a simple platformer which I made, and yeah guys, it's over here. I made so many platformers. There's scrolling platformer like Super Mario Bros, I guess. Now I made 3D platformers too. Over here, this one is a scrolling platformer. This one, you're gonna complete the game in time. There are so many levels and they just run nice. So even these stuffs are platformers. No, just this. And let's just begin working on our game. Now I'm currently gonna be using an asset pack which compresses the time of you making your game. Let's just load it, and we can load it from there. We should just load it from here. Now the use of using asset packs is gonna be simple. They have everything already ready for you to make your game. As you can see, we already got a basic game which is mine, and yeah, this is my asset pack. You can just get it basically, and I used the sprites and costumes from few other people. So yeah, let's just get it. So first things first, yeah, you can just do it with me. I'll leave the link to download all of the asset packs right below. There's a special website which I'll just send you later on, and we got our game ready. It's good. It is impossible. No, it is possible because it is an asset pack, by the way. So first things first, we're gonna first change the backdrop to an nice one. Just press on this button. Let's go with the blue sky too. There we go. Now our game has a simple backdrop and then scroller system, but yeah, now the major problem here is the level. We are compressing the video time currently, so this is good ground. Now this is the ground which has the G caps locked. So yeah, over here we have the costumes which we could upload, and then over here we have the levels. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Let's just paint a new one, and we should start working on our scrolling platformers level. Now, basically the fact is, as much ever levels you make, as much ever harder it should get, but as a player plays it, it's gonna become easy, so we have to try to get it to hard to impossible. So let's just start working on that. And here once again, I'm trying to make this tutorial as much detailed as possible. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm not gonna be using any of these stars. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm gonna go with this. Now here's what I'm gonna do. Set its size to something like 15. It's gonna be pretty thick. Yeah. Now set it to 15 and draw black stuff. If you're using this, please let me know. My asset, basically my asset pack. Now we are falling down the stuff because yeah, this is not gonna be working. If you just calm down, you could see this code in here, and of course it's for the green color. Now here's what you could do. You could just change it to touching color black, which is right in here. You could use these assault packs if you really want it. They are available, just telling it once again so you don't miss them out. Just duplicate it and put it down, and once we're done with this, it's gonna be easy. Now the reason why we're replacing them all with black is simple. If you replace them with any other color, it's not gonna work out well. So yeah, black even gives a nice outline. Yeah, let's just put this in here. Now the thing is, we'll even need to work on blue. If touching color blue and up as split press, yeah, that's to swim, by the way. Over here, this is to change the level. Now instead of that particular color blue, I'm just gonna replace it with something else once it comes out. And here's the lava. Now let's start working on the main project. Now I'm just gonna delete all of these sprites so the game becomes extremely hard. And here's what I'm gonna do. First go to the ground, press the green flag. Now this ground is walkable. At last we have the scrolling platformer assault system running, and that's gonna help us load. Just set the size to 41, bring this to max, plus the green color also. Now I'm just gonna be putting it right in here, and then get this, and we're gonna fill this with brown so the lava looks nice. We just do this, we get a nice shade of brown. Yeah, that looks good, by the way. Now I'm just gonna set this to 0. It is kind of hard, basically. 0. So this 1 0, and I'm just gonna be moving this line a bit down. I don't think that worked. Yep, this would be perfect. Now if you're on the game, it goes like it has a nice graphic. It has nice graphics. Now the main problem is we need the character to work without black. So yeah, I'm just gonna be replacing this code in here with some other stuff, so I'll just be doing it off camera. Now I replaced all of the if touching black with if touching ground, and this is gonna help us load. You know why? Just in a second. So yeah, now it's time. Just look at it. You can see how cool it looks. Don't need anything, we could just like click on this, and then with your lines, draw a line. Now basically it's not gonna be that hard to make an impossible game. Just make levels which are basically impossible. For example, our play span is gonna be right in this place. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring this a bit down. Make a cage. The game's impossible, but I'm not gonna do that. Else the players are gonna get extremely mad. Of course, yeah. And they quit the game. So we're gonna be designing simple levels which start off being extremely hard. By the way, yeah, as you can see, if you jump up, you can see the platform right in there. Let's add a platform like right in here. Yeah, that's gonna do it. You can just jump off there and here now. Just to make the player a little bit angry, we need this. Nope, this. Yeah, a little stuff. I don't think so that's gonna work. Let's just make it nice and high. There we go. Now the player somehow manages to jump over it. Nope, they're not gonna do that, but yep, let's just make like this little stuff, or we could just leave the place open. Now I've just made this place, and then you could see the wall jumping system also works good. You could use this for like all of scrolling platformers. Yeah, this is the best asset you could get it. So go and download this asset pack right now. I'm just gonna be designing this one level of camp. Now I have made a little level. This may seem possible, and yep, of course it is. It's really easy. You can go to these gaps either, and if you're stuck in here, you can come out. That's easy, by the way. Yeah, but you need logic to play this game. If you come from like roll back, you can just make it through this. But if you come like nearby, like this, it's impossible. Yeah, but that's not an impossible game. You could fly through walls by using some hacks, and we could even make this game intentionally bugged. Yeah, that's possible if you're ever wondering. And yep, the level is not gonna be continuing on this side. It's gonna go on the side. You can make your walkthrough into easier while designing levels by using the copy and paste tool, by the way. Yep, now I'm on this side and I'm stuck. So we got a basic level, and that's really cool. Let's just extend this down so it looks even more cool. Yep, it does. But that's just a little piece of land on this side. We got that right. We got this right. And yeah, our game's pretty good. Now, here's what I'm gonna just add to my game. I'm gonna add some stuff which like GCO. I don't know. That's not gonna make the game impossible, is it? Now, here's something that's gonna help you a lot of time, save you a lot of time. Just copy which I've made, then press paste. You get that same stuff right back. Press delete it, and I just wanna show you the stuff to guys. So I'm gonna be working on the lava pits and this whole level of camp. Now guys, our basic platformer is ready. Yeah, I don't want the levels a lot because they take hours, and I'll have to post this video by 3. So yeah, we got it. This is a whole game. Now I'll send you the asset packs right in the description, and as you can see, this is the whole game. You can move around, you could jump up, do this stuff. Yeah, this is still not complete. I can't call this a game, but yeah. Now using my asset pack you can make this. It measures the amount of water in here and makes it so that you can walk. By the way, lava doesn't walk either. This is due to that I'm gonna put the lava a bit different in my game. Yeah, not a lot of difference to be seen, but yeah, it's gonna be different. I promise. A bit different. By the way guys, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and mainly don't forget to check out my assault pack. Now you guys could see I'm floating and my game is released online. Here, this is my game, and you could open my profile to see it. So bye guys, meet you on another video.